Hi Mica fam, Ate Myra here, and for today's video, ituturo ko kung paano makakapag-link ng ating Gcash Mastercard successfully. Meron pong dalawang ways, but I want you to watch till the end guys, kasi importante yung information na yon. But anyway, kung interested kang malaman kung paano, then please keep on watching. Guys, please take note na yung paggamit ng Gcash Mastercard ay para lamang sa mga fully verified Gcash accounts po. Kaya kung hindi pa fully verified yung inyong Gcash account, ayan, meron akong video how to get fully verified. Super easy lang and step by step kung tinuro sa video niyan kung paano. Kaya please make sure to check the description. Alright? Now, ano nga ba yung nagagawa ng ating Gcash Mastercard? Siyempre, number 1 is to withdraw sa ATM. Any banknet ATMs po yan guys. But please take note, hindi siya free dahil meron transaction fee na 20 pesos. So that's per transaction guys ha. No matter how small or how big yung amount na i-withdraw mo, 20 pesos lang yung charge. So yun yung kagandahan if you use Gcash Mastercard kaysa sa mag-cash out ka using remittance centers kasi yun per amount yun eh. So kung maliit, mas maliit yung charge. Kung mas malaki din yung charge nyon. So, ayun, mas maganda gumamit ng Gcash Mastercard na lang. And also, okay, 20 pesos yung transaction fee, pero meron akong na-receive na comment na sinabi, free daw po yung pag-withdraw gamit yung Gcash Mastercard sa RCBC tsaka Security Bank. So, ayan, check niyo yan guys. Number 2, pwede kang makapag-shop sa stores. Meron akong video niyan guys, kung paano mag-shop sa stores at magbayad gamit yung Gcash Mastercard. So, syempre, pwede mo siyang gamitin dun sa mga stores na tumatanggap ng card as payment, whether debit card or credit card. Pero, guys, kung gagawin or gagawin mo siya for the first time, I suggest watch niyo yung video kung paano mag-shop sa stores gamit yung Gcash Mastercard. And number 3 guys, pwede ka makapag-shop online gamit si Gcash Mastercard. Hindi ko pa siya personally natatry guys kasi if I have to use Gcash, hindi Gcash Mastercard yung ginagamit ko but the Gcash itself. Kasi kapag ka, for example, may choice na Gcash ka magpipay, yung Gcash registered phone number lang naman yung i-enter mo eh. Pero if you want to use Gcash Mastercard, I think kailangan mo i-enter yung card details ng inyong Gcash Mastercard. Parang same lang din yan kapag nag-shop online ka, tapos ginamit mo yung debit or credit card mo. Parang same process lang. Pero anyway, kaya ko nasabi na pwede siyang gamitin to shop online ay dahil kung napanood nyo na yung video ko na na-scam ako ulit sa aking Gcash account, sabi ng Gcash representative kasi tumawag ako, ginamit daw yung aking Gcash Mastercard para makapag-shop sa Lazada na hindi naman naging successful kasi walang laman yung aking Gcash account that time. So anyway, ayun. Ate Myra, meron akong Gcash Mastercard at fully verified na rin ang aking Gcash account. Ngayon, paano ko naman malilink yung aking Gcash Mastercard para magamit ko na ito? Number 1, pwede kang makapag-link ng inyong Gcash Mastercard offline. Ibig sabihin, no need for internet connection. Kahit wala kang mobile data, ay pwede mo siyang gawin via the *143 hashtag. But please take note na ito ay para lamang sa Gcash registered phone number na Globe po. Okay? So, kung hindi Globe, let's say TNT, Smart, or Sun Cellular, yung niregister yung phone number sa inyong Gcash account, hindi siya pwede. Okay? But anyway, kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano mag-link na inyong Gcash Mastercard offline, meron akong video na ginawa step by step yan. Again, check nyo na lang yung description. Alright? Now, number 2, ayan, pwede kang makapag-link na inyong Gcash Mastercard via the Gcash app. At kung paano yan, eto, panoorin nyo. So guys, of course, login tayo sa ating Gcash account and then punta tayo sa menu na nasa upper left side po. And then tap natin tong My Linked Accounts. After that, tap natin yung Gcash Mastercard, Link Card. Then after that, enter natin dito yung 16-digit Gcash Mastercard number. So when you check your Gcash Mastercard, walang ibang 16 digits yan. Lagay mo lang siya dito and then tap Link Card. Now, once done, pag successful, syempre magkakaroon ng message yan. Okay? So, that's how you link your Gcash Mastercard po sa inyong Gcash app. And guys, kung na-try nyo nang mag-link na inyong Gcash Mastercard offline or via the Gcash app, pero feeling nyo hindi pa rin siya nakalink kasi grayed out pa rin yung Gcash Mastercard na nasa Gcash app ninyo, don't worry guys, kasi more or less nakalink na po yan successfully. Now, itong ituturo ko sa inyo will be paano nga ba natin ma-check or mako-confirm na yung ating Gcash Mastercard ay nakalink na nga sa ating Gcash app at pwede na natin siyang gamitin to withdraw, to shop in stores, or to shop online. Guys, para ma-check kung ang ating Gcash Mastercard ay nakalink na pala sa ating Gcash app, number 1, pumunta sa pinakamalapit na banknet ATM. Number 2, mag-try ka pong mag-balance inquiry. Take note na yung PIN na gagamitin mo is your MPIN lang din. Okay? Kung paano ka mag-login sa inyong Gcash account, di ba may 4 na digits na ini-enter, yun lang din yung gagamitin mo. Okay? And number 4, kung nakapag-balance inquiry ka, ibig sabihin nag-appear yung balance dun sa screen ng ATM, then that means nakalink na yung inyong Gcash Mastercard sa inyong Gcash app at pwede mo nang gamitin yung inyong Gcash Mastercard to withdraw, to shop online, or in stores po. Ayun, very simple lang talaga. So, I hope guys, na kung feeling mo hindi pa nakalink yung inyong Gcash Mastercard, try nyong gawin ito kasi more or less, nakalink na po yan. Hindi lang siya colored doon sa mismong Gcash app and I don't know why. Sa akin, ganun din kasi. Alright? So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. At kung hindi ka pa part ng Mica fam, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka every time meron tayong bagong videos, merong bagong updates, and merong giveaways for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.